Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into the unboxing and setup of the awesome DYU C2 electric bike. First things first, crack open that box and set aside the saddle and accessory box. Then, gently free the bike from its packaging, making sure to snip those cable ties. Once it's out, unfold the frame to get it nice and straight, just like we're shown. Now, let's tackle that handlebar neck. Unfold it and lock it into place following the instructions. Don't forget to release the quick release lever and pop the seat tube with the saddle attached in there. Tighten up any bolts and lock it down tight. Time to dial in that handlebar position for the perfect ride. Open up the stem lever and adjust it to your liking. Inside the accessory box, you've got all the goodies: pedals, assembly tools, battery charger, manual, and the all-important locking key. Pedal time. The one marked L goes on the left side, so screw it on counterclockwise by hand, then give it a good tighten with the wrench. Repeat the process for the right one marked R, but this time clockwise. Grab those tools and fix up the front reflector and bell. Safety first, right? Last step, inflate those tires and boom! Your DYU C2 is ready to rock and roll. Power it up, test it out, and let's hit the road for some epic adventures.